Let's get one thing straight. You don't need a face to build a brand, but you do need focus. Every day, people open YouTube hoping to escape the algorithm's chaos. They think, if I just stay anonymous, the money will come easier. If I just automate everything, it'll grow itself. That's a lie. Faceless doesn't mean effortless. It means systemized, scalable, intentional. Because the truth is, faceless creators aren't hiding. They're building machines. And if you want your channel to work while you're offline, you've got to stop thinking like a YouTuber and start thinking like a studio. You've heard it 100 times. You need a personal brand. And sure, that works, if you are the brand. But faceless channels flip the equation. You're not the product, your system is. Faceless channels succeed because they focus harder than anyone else. They don't try to be everything for everyone. They master one lane, one story, one value. You see, most people treat YouTube like a lottery. Faceless creators treat it like math. Every video is an equation, a repeatable topic, a proven thumbnail style, a recognizable hook, and when you keep those variables consistent, the algorithm rewards you. Every time. But here's the trade-off. It's boring. You'll spend hours refining the same style, the same intro, the same niche until it clicks. You'll feel like you're repeating yourself, and that's exactly when your audience starts recognizing you. Not by your face, but by your pattern. Because in faceless creation, clarity is your personality. Let's kill another myth. Automation doesn't replace effort. It replaces guesswork. Tools like ChatGPT, Opus Clip, or 11 Labs aren't shortcuts. They're multipliers. If your content direction is weak, AI just helps you fail faster. But if your foundation is strong, automation turns it into a production line. Here's how real faceless creators use it. They don't tell AI, make me viral. They tell it, make this faster. They still write, revise, test, and adjust. They build templates for scripts, systems for editing, and upload routines. Because faceless doesn't mean soulless, it means frictionless. The trade-off? You become a manager before you feel like a creator. You're running a content machine, and that means tracking KPIs, retention curves, and CTRs. You're not chasing views, you're managing a pipeline. Think of your channel like a car. Your niche is the engine, your content calendar is the fuel. Your automation tools, they're the cruise control. But here's the thing, cruise control still needs a driver. The biggest misconception about faceless channels, that AdSense is the goal. It's not. AdSense is gas money. Your real business runs on monetization systems. The best faceless creators diversify like businesses do. They repurpose content into digital products. They attach affiliate links. They build faceless newsletters and courses. Because if your video goes viral and your funnel's broken, you've just entertained people for free. But when your back end is clean, when your links, lead magnets, and offers align, that's when your channel stops being a hobby and starts becoming a brand. The trade-off? You've got to think long-term. Faceless channels don't explode overnight, they compound. Every video becomes an asset, every click becomes data, every month becomes momentum. And when your channel hits that tipping point, you're no longer chasing opportunity, you own it. So here's the truth. Faceless channels work, but not because they're easy, because they're engineered. You don't need to be famous, you need to be focused, you don't need a camera, you need a system. And you don't need to chase the algorithm if you understand how to build for it. Because faceless creation isn't about hiding who you are, it's about amplifying what you create. So if you're ready to build something that works while you're offline, subscribe. Because we have a whole series on faceless creator tips for creators just like you. Don't forget to grab my free Faceless Creator Toolkit linked below. I'll see you in the next one.